Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. So today, guys, I'm gonna do some peanut chops or peanut cake, as some of you guys call it. So before I get into the video, I want you to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Just send them over my channel, guys. Tell them some some interesting topics. So what I'm gonna use to make the peanut chops today, I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of water, 3 cup of peanut, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and rose water. So first thing I'm gonna do, I put on the water in the pot with little cinnamon and make it boil. Guys, you don't want too much water because you know you have to wait until it cool down before you can drop it. So you don't want too much water, so it take too long to boil up. So you close the pot and make it boil up. So while the water boil, I'm gonna grate some ginger, guys. So guys, you have one big grater side and one small. So I'm gonna use the small side, guys. I already wash and peel my ginger, guys, so without grater this. You can use any amount of ginger you want to use. Some people like it hard, some people like it mild. I like it with no harsh, I'm not like it too mild. I like it in between, guys. So I'm gonna use this part here, guys. Guys, don't throw away them here. Use them same way. Everything. Don't dash away anything. So guys, me forgot to tell them about the sugar. I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of sugar. You can use more sugar if you want it sweet, or you can use less sugar. But me like it when it in between. Me not like it with too much sugar, and me not like it too fresh. So me just use 1.5 cup of sugar. So the next thing me I gotta do now, guys, me got the ginger and the nutmeg and the sugar to the pot because the water is boiling. See water there, boys. So me add the 1.5 cup of sugar. Me add the cinnamon and the ginger, guys. I'll let that boil for a while. Then I add my roasted peanut. I buy the peanut at the local market, guys. I buy the peanut at the local market and I roast it myself in the oven. Me not get off all the red looking something off of it, but me get off most of it, so it me go use. So me go put little rose water and little vanilla in my water. Okay guys, so now me go add the peanut. So the mixture with the sugar and cinnamon, nutmeg, everything. So me add the peanut and let it cook, guys. Stir around and let it cook. So go stay there and cook. Me cover the pot and make it cook down, guys. Cook down until it can drop. So I'm gonna leave it, make it cook, guys. Yes guys, so halfway in the process of cooking down the peanut. This is how it looks, guys. Okay guys, so it is time for the peanut drop, or peanut cake as you call it, to drop. So guys, I'm using banana leaf. So I cut a banana leaf and quail it guys. So I'm gonna do the old-fashioned style where grandma would quail the banana leaf and drop it on it. So I quail it, so I'm gonna drop it and let you see how I do it. So guys, one, two, you separate them guys so they do not join together. Guys, the reason why some of them look so dark is because some of my red shell they never get to come off of all of them, so that's why they look so dark. But me I continue drop all of them and then drop and set. Me get back to you guys and show you how they actually look when they are set. Yes guys, these are some of the peanut drops or peanut cake guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Guys, before I end this video, I want you to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, I am out. Bye.